Welcome! The following video will demonstrate how to insert and replace batteries for a 2 gig glass break detector. Begin by twisting the cover in a counterclockwise motion. When the imprinted arrows on the side of the detector are aligned, separate the unit. Remove the old batteries. Then insert the new batteries into the battery compartments. Always match the plus sign on the battery with the flat side of the compartment and the minus side on the battery with the spring side of the compartment. Warning: failure to follow these warnings and instructions can lead to heat generation, rupture, leakage, explosion, fire, or other injury or damage. Do not insert the battery into the compartment in the wrong direction. Always replace the battery with the same or equivalent type. Never recharge or disassemble the battery. Never place the battery in fire or water. Always keep batteries away from small children, and if batteries are swallowed, promptly see a doctor. Holding the cover, align the imprinted arrows on the detector, and then twist the cover in a clockwise motion to close the unit. The 2 gig glass break detector batteries have now been replaced.